Hello, my name is Missy. Welcome to Tulum and to this 5-minute meditation on compassion and non-judgment. So find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize the serene jungle of Tulum. Picture the dense, vibrant greenery around you. The sounds of exotic birds and rustling leaves filling the air. Let this peaceful setting bring a sense of calm and tranquility to your mind. Now bring your attention to the concept of compassion. Compassion begins with ourselves. Take a moment to acknowledge any feelings of inadequacy or comparison that you may be holding on to. Understand that these feelings are natural, but do not define your worth. As you breathe in, silently say to yourself, I am enough. As you breathe out, release any self-judgment or criticism. Imagine the warm sun filtering through the canopy, casting dappled light on the forest floor. Let this light fill you with the golden glow of compassion, letting the light spread throughout your whole body, warming your heart and softening any harsh judgments you may hold against yourself. Now extend this compassion to others. Think of someone in your life who may be struggling or who you have judged in the past. Visualize them standing in the jungle with you, bathed in the same golden light of compassion. As you inhale, silently say, you are enough. As you exhale, release any judgments or comparisons you hold against them. Remember that everyone is on their own journey. Just as the trees in the jungle grow in different shapes and sizes, so do the challenges and triumphs in our lives. We all experience moments of joy and moments of difficulty. Embrace the understanding that we are all connected through these shared human experiences. Take a few more deep breaths. Inhale compassion. Exhale judgment. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of compassion and non-judgment with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time to cultivate compassion within yourself. May you carry these feelings with you, spreading kindness and understanding wherever you go. Till next time, namaste.